How to download free ebooks from Google Books legally. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download free ebooks from Google Books legally. Do watch the video till the end. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open the web browser on your device and using the search bar at top of the screen, type in books.google.com and on this list of the results section, select Google Books at top of the screen. And you will get access to this Google Books page where you need to search any book that you want to search or get on this Google Books legally. So suppose let me type in market and press enter on your keyboard. So here are the lists of all the books that you have searched based on the market. When you click on any time at top left corner of the screen, here is the option of full view. So let's click on full view. Once you click on the full view, here are list of the all books that are applicable for any document at any moment. And you can also click on any time at top right corner of the screen and choose the date range. So let me search for the 19th century. And here are all the books as per your preferences. You can select any one of the link that you wish for. Let me search for this Lombard Street and the link has already been opened. Once the book's link open, here you will get the option to download PDF. Click on download PDF button. Now you will get all the downloaded version and in the version of PDF so you can easily get the information from here.